Mau, how's life treating my Mau Mau, oy? How's life treating my Mau Mau? Is my Mau Mau okay? Are you okay, Mau? Did you have a hard day? Look at you. You're an outdoor cat and an indoor cat. Look at that. What a big Mau Mau. Your paw, Mau, are so big, and I can tell that you have traveled far and wide with this paw, paw, your paw, Mau. And your big nose, Mau, like a tiger. And your mask, like the mask of Zorro. Zorro, not Zorro. Zorro. Let me pet you, Mau. Oh, you don't want to be petted, Mau? My goodness. Okay, Mau. Hello, Mau. I love you, Mau Mau. Oy. I love you so much. I'm the only one that knows your cuteness.